I've never done yoga before. I asked my friend who teaches yoga to help me come up with a routine that's gonna really challenge my body. So never done yoga before, and I only lift weights. I was wondering if you could help me with the routine.
Yeah, I'd love to. You know, yoga has so many benefits. It's helpful for building strength, mobility, and it's something restorative that you can do in between your workouts.
You have any yoga secrets I should keep in mind?
I'd say let's take it one step at a time and remember to breathe.
Okay, just let me know when you send the routine and I'll let you know how it goes, and hopefully I don't break my back.
All right, good luck.
We're gonna start off easy with the first pose because I do not want this to happen. The first pose is the child pose. This actually reminds me a lot of my little brother when he used to cry and do this. The next pose is the upward bow. I have no idea how this looks, but I'm gonna try to guess it first before I even see it. Okay, let's see how it actually looks like. Yeah, all my guesses are pretty much wrong. Let's see. Oh my god! How the hell am I supposed to do that? This literally looks like The Exorcist.
Oh god.
I think I broke my back. So next up we have the shoulder stand pose. This one doesn't look too bad.
Directly towards the sky. Good. And now take your feet above your knees.
I think I got it. Okay, next one's the king pigeon. Wow, looks like you gotta be really flexible. Oh! What? I'm definitely not gonna try the king pigeon, but I'm gonna make my little brother do it. As far as you get, as far as you get. Last up is the toe stand. When I first heard of it, this is what I thought it was.
Yep, and arm comes down and lift. Keep those feet moving. Keep those feet moving. 3, 4, 5.
I'm honestly afraid I'm gonna break my ankles. You see that little boy in the back? Yes, that is me. That is how I'm gonna be struggling doing this exercise. Oh, I can feel on my knees. Oh my goodness. How low do I need to go? Whew, that was intense. I felt pain in muscles I didn't even know I had. Some of these exercises, obviously I will have to practice to get into them because they're more advanced. But it really just comes down to balance and knowing your body, which I don't have. As a bodybuilder, I think it's important to have some kind of balance exercises like doing yoga, because it's super important to have awareness of your body and your breathing, because when I was doing these exercises, I never focused on my breathing so much. I could definitely translate this to the gym. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Comment down below. Let me know what other kind of workouts you want me to try out. And I'll see you in the next video.